Say, Mr. Bill, there's something I've been wanting to talk to you about lately.
Yeah, well, what's that?
Well, it's your career.
What career?
Exactly. The people out here in Hollywood, they just think you're too
To what?
stiff.
Hey, what do you mean I'm too stiff?
Like that. Look, your lips don't even move.
They don't?
Yeah, and neither does anything else, Mr. Bill, I'm sorry to say.
Gee, I guess that might be a drawback for getting a part in a big movie, huh?
Well, maybe if you could loosen up a little bit.
Loosen up, huh? Oh, okay, I'll try. Oh, you're right. That sure is stiff.
Well, that's good. That's a good start. Now try moving the lips a little.
Okay, I'll try to loosen the lips up a little. How's that?
Hey, what are you doing, Elvis?
Oh, come on now, Walt. Don't make fun of me.
Hey, look, you did it.
I did? Oh, boy, that's great. Yay, my lips can move. Yay.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, now, let's not stop there, though. Yeah, loosen up those shoulders a little. Okay, we have relaxing arms. Good, good.
Oh, wow, this is kind of freaky.
Very good. Hey, now you're getting it. Hey, Mr. Bill, you ought to slow down a little bit. This is all kind of new to you.
Oh, no, now that I can move, I can run away from all that bad stuff.
Mr. Bill, maybe this whole moving thing is not such a good idea. So.